Yes, sir. It's your boy Slide 365 Street News. Slimehollywoodbeats in the
What's
building.
up? This your boy Drizzy Drake, and you are now rocking with DJ Payne.
Acid Squad. I hear you, boo. I understand you. It's okay. We're gonna get it together. Yeah. Okay, baby, it's your nigga Slime. The best dressed, I'm always on time. Pull up in that black Bentley coupe, that Lexus coupe, or whatever. I may smoke that weed just like Snoop, but I'm real clever. Definitely when I'm on the next level, when I'm dealing with you. I get a bottle of Patron, we know we run through it. We straight pursue it, we do our thing. Haha, you know how we go. Travel from state to state, from Denver to New York to Cali. We just do our things. I know I'm missing you and everything, but I'm back at it. I ain't gonna never stop the grounds that I love walking on. Yeah, they heard me. Okay, baby. Alright, I'm back at it. Damn, baby girl, I'm still at it. Still more mathematics, still more addicts, still more fiends, still more stacks. Still gotta watch my back, still don't sell that crack. I still back in the studios making these beats, producing everything for the streets. You know I tell you I be at late night. You think I be out there tricking and doing my thing? No, I'm back in here, still getting this money. Got my back against the wall. Every time you call, I answer the phone. It's just like, hey, I feel like I'm all alone. Just me and you. I'm in the zone. I can't leave it alone. I'm in love with you. Just loving you. Calling you my boo. That's why I bought you that Benz too. Yeah. Can't stop Slide 365 Street News. I see squads in the building. Squad up. We love you, baby. All day. First three gonna go like this though. I'ma tell you like Callisco, Bay. I'm in the Bay, I do whatever we gotta do. You know what I say, this what we do. Swoop through the inner city, campaigning, politicking, sticking and moving. Pull up at the club. You know what we do. VIP, valet. You know what say. I do it on my way like Unse, like Beyonce. You know what she said, put a ring on it. I thought about it, so that's what I was doing. Till 9/11 came, but it's okay. I know you're looking down anyway. We still gonna have the great blessings, the great days, the great lessons. I'm just God blessing you. Yeah, yeah. We ain't going broke, baby. We gonna get this money all day, all night. You know what I'm saying? That's why they call me Slime. Survival lives in me. This what we do, huh? Me and you, boo. We got that chemistry. You know what I'm saying? We just do our thing. I may jump in the kill with you. We may swoop through, end up in Gainesville, Jacksonville, wherever. You know, we change like the weather, rain, snow. We real clever. Watch this shit blow. Watch we grow like blow.